Hi, Shauna Holt, and today is day one of the content creation and marketing workshop. Whenever you jump on, let me know, say hi. Let me know if you got the email today. Funny story, I'm already aware that the email went out, multiple times. Um, I am working on getting that fixed, so hopefully tomorrow's email you don't get flooded with the same one again. But let me know if you got the one. It definitely means you knew what time to join here, right? So today I'm going to be talking about 6 reasons a content strategy is important for your business. The importance of publishing relevant content cannot be understated. That's why Bill Gates first said that content is king in 1996. He went further and he said that content is where I expect much of the money, the real money, to be made on the internet, just as it was in broadcasting. So he spoke the truth, right? We're all looking for content whenever we are on any kind of social media, or when we're wanting to find out information, we're searching Google for content. If content is king, then having a content strategy is important for your business. So if you look at the history of the internet and where it's going, it's clear. Content is king and will remain that way for many years still to come. So this means that you have a wonderful opportunity to do a lot with the content you publish, and it all starts with your audience. By the way, if you have any friends or teammates that would that you think that this would help them, invite them to the group and welcome them in the pinned post. So number 1 is a content strategy educates your audience. Now, content directed towards the issues and information that your audience cares about is a great way to educate them on a problem, an issue, and your solution. For example, if you have a business that you're selling coaching services, the type of content that you develop will be focused on teaching your audience about their problems and their need for your coaching as a solution to that problem. Number 2 is that it makes you a thought leader. Now, if you study your industry well enough and you publish what you've learned, you become known as a thought leader. And you'll want to publish content in all different forms. This means that you want to have words, graphics, videos, and audio. This will help spread your message far and wide so that your audience can find you. Number 3 is content strategy establishes relationships. When you share information with your audience from the first email, blog post, social media update, or whatever, it starts to establish and build a relationship with the people as individuals. Now, you're reaching each person one-to-one, and due to that, it's more personal to the person consuming your content. They start to feel as if they know you, and knowing you is the first step in the know, like, trust factor. Number 4 is that it facilitates customer loyalty. When you give information to your customers about the products or that you've created for them, even after they've purchased, that content will boost customer loyalty. The reason is that they will feel as if you care about them. You can check in with them and see how they like their purchases, send surveys to find out what can be improved, even provide additional resources for them based on what they've bought. You'll become a hero to them, and in return, they'll be loyal to you, recommending you to their friends and colleagues. And that's the easiest way to get more customers, is that your current customers are referring you. Number 5 is a content strategy encourages engagement. When you share great content with your audience, it also encourages engagement. Invite them to respond to your blog post or your post on social media. Ask them questions in your emails too. Ask them to come to your social media platforms for more content. When they enjoy your content, then they will also share it. Number 6, a content strategy builds search engine optimization, or otherwise known as SEO. SEO enables search engines to find your content so that they can recommend it to their customers who are searching for that topic. The more you follow the guidelines put out by Google with your content, the more likely they are to send their customers to you to read your content. Now, when you use the right content at the right time, in the right place, your business will grow in all ways that matter. You'll grow your audience, your customer base, and money. The reason is that you'll get more eyes on you due to publishing more content. What's more, content is a real business asset that you can continue to build on for years to come. The content you produce and publish today will continue working for you for years. That's why it's so important to have a content strategy. I know in particular, I have a couple of blog posts that I wrote 2 years ago, and I still get people reaching out to me about what I had in that blog. So in case you missed my first blog, it was on what is content marketing. I did post that in the group here too. I always want to bring this group, this community, my lives first. So like I said, if you have anyone that you feel would benefit from this workshop this month, or even just the collaboration in the group, please invite them in. And I hope that this worked well for you today. I'll be doing a lot of different tips all month long on creating content and marketing your content so that you can grow your business huge this year. So I hope you have a great rest of your day.